This one's a good size for the premium batch. Agreed, but check the thickness here. This grade goes to the main pile. Right, stack it over there. This one is ready for the flesher. The blades are clearing the fat now. Stacking these hides for the liming. Right, I'll get this trolley moving. This batch looks ready. Rotations at 12 RPM, right on target.
Good, pH levels are stable at 0.5.
Watch the hides, they look a bit uneven feed.
The camel skins are removed from the liming drums. This reveals the loosened hair fibers ready for the dehairing stage. The process ensures the hides are prepared for tanning.
Ready to delime these skins? All right, lift on 3. Neutralizing the lime now. pH is still too high. We need to adjust the bath. Okay, I'll add more deliming agent. Good, let's retest in 5 minutes.
Camel skins are moved into baiting drums at the Camel leather factory, where enzymes soften the skin fibers for tanning.
Starting the extraction now.
Good, let's check the color consistency.
It looks uniform. How's the depth?
Penetration is even. This batch is approved.
Let's check this batch for consistency.
Right? I'll use the calipers. This one reads 2.45 millimeters.
Perfect. Stack it.
Raw camel leather is stretched and mounted onto toggle drying frames to prevent shrinkage. This ensures the leather dries evenly and maintains its shape. The mounted leather is now ready for drying.
This section has a rough grain, marking it with a cross.
Agreed. And this part has a good even finish. I'll mark it with a circle.
Good. This whole piece is top quality.
Perfect. This batch is ready.
This seam needs reinforcing before testing. Alright, I'll prepare the tester. Tensile strength is good, 45 psi.